Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Passat. In this video I'll show you how to activate speed limiter. In the beginning, let's go to Assistant menu by pressing this button. And now use arrow down and select speed limit. Now, press plus button to activate speed limiter. Press plus button to increase speed limit and minus button to decrease it. To disable this function, press 0, 1 button again, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.